Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to talk about a no crank, no start issue due to the IBS sensor fault. And we're going to explain what the IBS sensor does, the common problem associated with the sensor, and how to troubleshoot the IBS problems. All right, so here are some of the symptoms of a bad IBS sensor. Your BMW battery will drain when parked. Your BMW won't be able to go to sleep, drains the battery. Your IBS won't be able to wake up the DME. You're going to get a voltage fault, DME not on, and this can be caused due to a short at the B line. Voltage fault DME on, which can be caused by a ground short. You can get a dead battery and the car won't start. So let's talk about what the BMW intelligent battery sensor is. It's connected to the negative terminal of the battery. BMW cars have a load of electronics on them, and it depends greatly on the battery, not just for starting the engine, but also for so many functions. BMW batteries plays a critical part in how BMW cars work. The intelligent battery sensor is used to monitor various battery parameters such as voltage, current, and temperature. So the sensor itself is mounted on top of the negative terminal, the battery negative terminal, with a ground cable and two connectors. One of the IBS cables gets power from the positive terminal. The second cable is connected to the DME and measures the battery load, and this is known as the bit serial data interface, or BSD. The BMW IBS sensor measures several battery parameters such as terminal voltage, the charging current, the discharge current, the battery temperature, SOC or state of charge, SOH state of health. And this is how you guys troubleshoot the IBS sensor and try to figure out whether the IBS sensor is defective. You can scan the DME module for fault codes, and for this you will probably need a BMW diagnostic scanner. One of them that you guys could get is the Foxwell NT510 for BMW. What you're going to do is you're going to locate the IBD2 port under the dashboard, the driver's side. You're going to plug your diagnostic scanner into the port. You're going to turn on the ignition but not start the car, and then you're going to turn on the scanner and then allow it to communicate with the onboard diagnostic computer. Select BMW make and model, go to the control unit, select DME from the menu, select read fault codes. Fault codes related to IBS sensor are stored in the DME module. The DME will perform a check of the current, voltage, temperature, and these messages will be stored in the DME module if there is a problem with the IBS sensor. If there is a voltage fault, if there is a 299B DME intelligent battery, it would also scan the intelligent battery 299B DME intelligent battery sensor and the 002E8D DME intelligent battery sensor signal transmission. So if you guys don't know already, there is also a recall from BMW for a faulty IBS sensor, and you guys will need to go to the BMW website to check that. But if you guys want to, and you guys have this issue, you guys might be able to bypass the IBS sensor on a BMW. What you guys can do is disconnect the IBS cable from the negative terminal. This will disable the IBS communication with the DME. However, this is just a temporary solution. It's not normally recommended because normally if you bypass the IBS sensor, no information from the battery and its charge status will be available for the DME. However, if you guys need to, you guys definitely can do that just to get your BMW started and running and get to where you need to go. Anyway, hope this has helped you guys out with this issue. If you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff, right guys? Take care.